Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create an invoice for your customers or your client or any of them, and you want to send as a statement of that purchase or all of the details in one page that are printable, so invoice is a great choice, and QuickBooks can help you to create a perfect invoice. So let's see how you can create a perfect invoice. So first you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account using your login credentials. So once you have logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you can find this type of dashboard where you can find the plus new button here. So simply click on this, and from here you can find customers where you can find the invoice. So simply click on invoice. So from here you will be able to create an invoice from here. So first thing you have to add is customer name or select the customers. So if you doesn't added the customers here, then you can add a customers by simply click on add new, or if you have added one, just simply click on it and the customer email address will automatically be generated here. If you have added to that customer list, then the billing address, you can add any billing address for here that for them according to their card or according they have provided the details actually. Now the terms here, you can select the terms from here. There is three terms from here: due on receipt, you can select it if it's a due payment. Then the invoice date, you can select a date for which date you want to create the invoice. For example, today I want to send the invoice, so here is the date and the due date is the yesterday, so they have paid it and I'm going to send that invoice here. Now you can also check out a number here, you can add it, but it won't print on the form here. Then the invoice number, you can select the invoice number here. For example, if I just change it, you can see it will change also in this section if I hit enter. So if I just like this here, you can see it is just changed, but I want to maintain the serial here. Then the store, you can simply click on this where you can add a new store if you want. So now here is the list of the service and the product that you are actually delivered or the customer has just purchased from you. So the date, first you have to add the date here. So for example, they have purchased it yesterday, and the product service here, for example, like this product here. Then you can add the descriptions and the quantity here and ounce amount. So if you have added the product on your QuickBooks Online, so you will find all of your product listed in this section. Or if the product is not listed, then simply click on add new, where you will be able to add the product details with some photos, some documents, also some descriptions, and the price, rate, or the amount. Also you can add some tax rate also. So the quantity they have, for example, they have just purchased 5 copies of this t-shirt or the shirt here. So here you can see the purchase rate and the amount, total amount here. So you can add the message on invoice like thanks for shopping. So I have just added a sample message from here. Also you can add a statement message, you can add any terms and conditions like keep this invoice for further inquiry. So I have added as a statement here. Then you can add any document or photo if you want. So now simply click on save and send, or you can save it if you want to send it later. So you can save this invoice right now and you can save it later if you want. So also you can instantly send it and also save it on sorry, there is a problem here that make sure all your transactions have a sales tax rate before you save. So there is, I have just missed the sales tax rate here, so I'm going to sales tax here. I've added the sales tax. Now here you can see it has just sent it to that person with all of the details, including the tax here. So once you have done it, they can easily print it or save it to their inventory or their file. So I'm going to save and close, send and close, and it will just send this invoice to that email address. So if I show you, it was a demo invoice mail here. So you can see it will look like this. Here is the invoice that is just received by this email. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.